you guys? It's your girl B and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am back with another hair review, and this hair review really means a lot to me, y'all, because y'all know I've really been, I feel like my camera's shaking, because y'all know I've really been wanting this one thing for a minute, y'all. Arabella Arabella is the first company to ever bless me with 613 hair. The first company to give me something I really want in life, y'all. And the hair, this is 16 inches, I believe 150 density, 13 by 6 lace, so your girl got more space, because I know I used to complain about the old lace that's 13 by 4, I think, I'm not sure. But this hair is thick, ends is cut, and it's soft. I haven't got any shedding yet. Right now I'm going to be doing the watercolor method, and I'm going to be doing this color again. Before, you guys know I did it on bleached hair, but it wasn't this bright, so I figured if I do it again, it should come out the way I want, because this is platinum blonde hair, y'all. Oh my god. Whoa, why does this look purple? This don't look purple, bro. This don't get purple. Come look at this. Right now I have my water boiling in the back, so I'm just trying to figure out why this thing is purple, y'all. Look, look, that's purple. That's purple. No, it's not.
Oh. You gonna mix both of them together?
Nah.
Or you gonna mix a little?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna flip this up. So right now I'm gonna take my do what Ocean have right now.
Yeah.
But now,
No, what Ocean have.
I'm gonna spray my lace with Got to Be Freezing Blast to protect it from the lace coloring. And after I do that, I'm gonna go on my blow dryer, on cool, and blow dry it. You know how God works in mysterious ways? I'm hyped. I know they're about to come out the way I want it. I'm about to pluck this bitch. Somebody just jumped out the pot. Oh, somebody just hit it.
Somebody did jump out the pot.
And I'm about to pluck. I'm gonna go in with about 2 layers. I see people usually going with 2 or 3. I'm gonna go in with 2. Oh my god, this got so much glue on it. What? I see red hair all over this.
No, it's different. It's like this ponytail. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So, oh, this thing fits a little wet in that side. Okay, I'm gonna sing first.
Alright, so this is good. The water should be good. I'm gonna pour my water in here. So we're gonna turn the camera. Y'all know what a camera is, y'all? Just introduce y'all to the camera. I think I should do this on the floor.
If you want it a dark blue, you should do it.
I don't got enough water. I'm gonna fill it up a little more. Cause that baby's sizzling. That baby. Alright, now you're cutting the mixing in the pot with. This is my favorite thing I use, y'all, every time I mix it up. That should be enough water. Somebody texted me. I think it's the cops. Gonna spray that baby. Nigga said spray that baby. And I'm gonna mix that all up. Woo! Wait! Daisha, look at this. Look at this. Look at this bomb behind color, bro. No, Daisha, that's boring.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I wanna see something. Let me just dip the ends in and see how it come out. Let me get a thumbnail. Alright.
What happened?
That's it, bro.
You did the whole thing in there?
That's what you're supposed to do.
And it came out looking the same color?
Yeah, what did you really
You
talk
making it
about?
blue?
Yes.
She make it yellow. The fucking blue, right?
Oh my god, y'all. Oh, sugar plum biscuit on a hot sunny Thursday. But I'm about to leave it like this, y'all.
Oh, no, wait.
Bruh. This is a thumbnail right here. Oh. Bruh.
They laughing at you. They think
Thumbnail right here.
they don't understand. Oh shit.
You dipping the whole thing in there?
No, they
The quarter of the biscuit. I really thought it. I really thought you were school and graduated. That's what I really thought.
Oh, hold
Hold on. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this look fire, y'all. Let me just leave that. Let me let that sit in there. Let me let that sit in there.
Hey. Do it again.
Nah, yeah, I'm so happy. Everything is working out in my favor. I know how to curl now. I finally get to get the blue I want to get. Happy birthday to you. Let's see.
Oh! Oh my god.
You see that blue at the
I think you
bottom?
need to add more blue.
I am. I'm about to.
Cause I think the blue just got used over here.
Yeah, at the bottom.
I did.
Gotta add some more baby up in that blue. You really honestly never need like more than 2 bottles. I always use 1 bottle and I'd be good. I don't get why people be using 3 or 4 bottles. Like you might as well just color it with a brush. But since it's blue again, I'm gonna put the whole thing in it so the whole thing could take the blue while it's dark. I'm gonna leave that in there. Yeah, I really feel like I'm cooking. Extra my neck, bowlers get hop up for belly get red, casting them on, I get it to you said one of my friends in my church, shouldn't have her dress, clean up for me.
Ariel, sit down.
Come now.
Should I dip this in there?
Alright y'all, let's look at it now. Time for the reveal. My wig went back. My wig went back, bruh. Daisha.
Wait.
I'm about to do it again. So you probably sleep blonde still, right?
Yeah, man.
But even if I keep that in there,
Oh yeah.
it has like highlights of. Alright, now we got. Oh no, we gonna come there.
Eh.
Yo, this is still fire though, y'all. This is still fire. Oh my, you see the highlights? Yo,
That's ugly.
your mother. Yo, this is fire. I'm gonna add more.
Maybe you need to open it.
Yeah, Yeah, I'm about to just play around in there. Huh? Certain spots are still blonde, so I'm trying to like, I need to move my phone because I'm still in water. I'm trying to like put the color in there so I can alter the color. Let that sit. So let's see if the middle is colored. Okay, the middle is colored. Why isn't the middle coloring? Like, let me open this up and put this in this way. Look at the middle, y'all. It's just light blue. The middle is not coloring. So I'm gonna put color in here. I keep putting my phone so close to the get wet. I'm gonna stir that up. And I'm gonna stick this middle in because the middle is just not like taken right now. So with the middle, I'll put that in there. Cause it's just that middle part that's not coloring. Okay, so hopefully it colored this time because I opened it and put it in. And now I'm just moving the color around in it. So, I'll be back when I am done.